Good morning, student of class 8. Now we will start the rest part of the chapter first, Kabliwala's explanation. From here, now we have to start. Listen carefully. I am going to read, then I will explain it. Now Minnie and Kabliwala became great friends. The Kabliwala had overcome the child's fear by a judicious bribe of nuts and almonds, and they would often share question jokes. Whenever she asked what his big bag contained, he would reply in a nasal accent, an elephant. Minnie would look at his gigantic frame in all her dignity and burst out laughing, and he would ask her, "Well, little one, and when are you going to your father-in-law's house?" Now, most Bengali maidens are familiar with the term father-in-law's house, but we, being little newfangled, had kept these things from Minnie. She must have been a trifle bewildered at this, but did not show it. She would ask, "Are you going there?" Now here explanation. What is? Now Minnie and Kabliwala became great friends. Previous page you understand how they became. They became now great friends. They are sharing their thoughts, their views, ideas, etc. And Minnie and Kabliwala. And the Kabliwala had overcome the child's fear by a judicious bribe of nuts. And what? Regularly Kabliwala was coming to Minnie's house, and regularly he was giving to her what? Nuts, almonds. Then she was very happy. And they would often share question jokes. And they would often means Kabliwala and Minnie both are sharing different types of jokes on animals or any other person. Whenever she asked what his big bag contained, suppose that Minnie has asked that what you have contained in your big bag, then what he has replied? With a funny way he is replying what? I have an elephant in the bag. And after, then both are started to laugh, burst out laughing. And then he would ask her, "Well, little one, and when are you going to your father-in-law's house?" He would ask her. Means one time, Kabliwala asked Minnie, "Well, little girl, when you are going to your father-in-law's house?" And actually in that area, in mostly Bengali maidens, they know that father-in-law's house, what they mean. But in a different way, it means what? It means that jail. And now, with being little newfangled, had kept these things from Minnie, she must have been a trifle bewildered at this, but did not show. She would ask, "Are you going there?" Here from. And after that, Minnie was a little bit confused. What means father-in-law's house? For another meaning, it's jail. Another meaning is different one. So she would ask, "Are you going there?" But among the men of Kabliwala's class, everyone, Kabliwala's class means Kabliwala's status, everyone, they understand what do you mean of father-in-law's house. It means jail here. Given it means what? Jail. And where we are all cared for no expense to ourselves. Without any expense, without any cost, without any money, all they are cared by them. And I will thrust my father-in-law's house, and they would burst into peals of laughter. And what Kabliwala said, "I will thrust." Thrust means hit. I will hit father-in-law's house, and after that, what both of Minnie and Kabliwala, they have started laughing too much. And Minnie's mother would often put in a word of caution, "Be aware of that man." And after, Minnie's mother has just instructed Minnie, so be aware means be careful of that man. And Minnie and Kabliwala spent much time together. Once in a year in January, Rahman the Kabliwala used to go his country, and he would be busy collecting dust from house to house, but he would always find time to come and meet Minnie. Minnie and Kabliwala spent much time together. And now what happened? Minnie and Kabliwala both are good friends, and they are spending more time together. And now in the month of January, Rahman, Kabliwala means he has to go to his own country. Then this time he was busy in collecting money, actually debts. What due payment is there, so he was going to collect from house to house. And now this time he is remembering to meet Minnie. It's not forgetting, remembering. And one morning there was an uproar in the street, and looking out, I saw Rahman being led away, bound between two policemen with the blood stains on his cloth. one morning what happened? But there is a loud noise in the street, and now everyone they have gone there. And now what Mini has noticed that I saw Rahman being led away, bound between the two policemen with blood stain. Now the narrator has noticed that Abdul Rahman means Kabliwala. What he was, there are two policemen. They have bounded him with a chain or something, and there is a blood spot on his cloth. Kabliwala's cloth, there is a blood spot, and one of the policemen has carried a knife. It means Kabliwala has stabbed someone. And now I inquired what happened and learned that a certain neighbor owed Rahman some money for a Rampuri shawl, but falsely denied having bought it. In the ensuing quarrel, Rahman had struck him. Now I inquired, the narrator inquired, means has asked to the policeman or maybe Abdul Rahman what happened. Now he said something that there is a person, a certain neighbor owed Rahman some money, and actually he has given a Rampuri shawl. That money was left due, it means. And in the ensuing quarrel, when Abdul Rahman Miss Kabliwala asked for money, then he denied, it means refused. I don't have any money, I have not taken anything from you. Then now quarrel has started. In ensuing quarrel, Abdul Rahman has struck him, and now Mini shouted, and after that Mini was also surprised, shocked, like, "Oh Kabliwala, are you going to father-in-law's house?" And now after that Mini, little girl, she said, she does not know what is it means father-in-law's house. Now this time she said, "Are you going to father-in-law's house?" His face lit up, and he said, "Just where I am going, little one," and he was sentenced in some years. And now after that, his face lit up. His face means Kabliwala's Rahman's face, a little bit shine on his face, and now he said, yes, girl, little girl, I am going to father-in-law's house. And after that, in the court has sentenced him some years imprisonment. It means some years jail. He has to be. And on the charge of murder, assault. Why for? On the charge of murder, assault, murder attempt for a physical attack for, he was sentenced some year imprisonment. Okay, thank you. Rest next day.